Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online class. Dear student, I hope you are well. I am also fine. I think at that moment you stay in your house for COVID-19. I shall discuss with you about English first paper. You know there are many famous persons lived in our country who sacrificed their life for our country or language movement and other activities. This day I shall discuss with you about the same story, unit 5 lesson 1, uh, the story Great Women to Remember. At first, we shall know about the new word meaning. Words or synonyms. Famous, great, educated, learn, worker, labor, belief, faith, or right, privilege. Dear students, we knew about new words. Famous means great, educate, learn, worker, labor, belief, faith, right, privilege, or another words, encourage. Encourage means inspired, uh, opportunities or facilities, etc. Dear student, I told the I told about the famous person Begum Rukia. You listen to my lecture silently. Begum Rukia was a famous writer and a social worker. She lived in undivided Bengal in the early 20th century. She believed that women should have the same right and opportunities as men in the society. So she she fought for their cause throughout her life. Begum Rukia was born in a village called Pairabondo, Rangpur in 1880. Her father, Johiruddin Muhammad Abu Ali Haidar Sabir, was an educated landlord. Rukia was married to Khan Bahadur Sakot Hussain in 1896. Her husband was the deputy magistrate of Bhagalpur, now a district in the Indian state of Bihar. He was very cooperative and always encouraged Rukia to go to on with her activities. Many upper class Muslims of Bengal at that time learned Arabic and Persian as medium of education and communicative or communication. But Rukia had great love for her mother tongue. She learned Bangla and English from her elder brother Ibrahim. My dear student, I think you listen my lecture. Now I discuss with you, choose the correct answer to each question. I think you always answer this multiple question. Okay. Number 1. Number 1. Begum Rukia was a famous writer. Begum Rukia was a famous writer and a social worker. Here famous means number 1. Number 1. Ordinary belief, BELIEVE. Number 2. Ordinary. Number 3. Unsocial. Number 4. Great. I think you can told the right answer. It is right answer. Great. Thank you. Another question. Who is one of the following words? Following words has a similar meaning of worker. Similar meaning of right. Right. Number 1. Privilege. Number 2. False. False. Number 3. Incorrect. Incorrect. Number 4. Wrong. Wrong. You must know the correct answer of privilege. The correct answer of privilege. Another question or last question. Which one of the following which one of the following words has a similar meaning of similar meaning of inquiries. Number 1. Ordinary. Number 2. Brave. 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 Number 3. Lazy. Number 4. Inspire. You must know the correct answer of inspire. Okay. My student, I think you know about or learn about the about the story. Again, I remember you that you will stay in your house. You will not get out from your house. If you get out from your house, you must use masks. Thank you. Goodbye.